Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 and today I will present our pitching. Imagine studying culture, history and education not from textbook but by experiencing them with first-hand in South Korea. South Korea is known for its advanced education system, rich tradition, and rapid technological development. Through this educational field trip to Seoul, Busan, and Jeju Island, students will be able to learn directly from real-world environment while gaining global exposure. The first activity is an educational visit to a university in Seoul, which is Yonsei University. During this activity, students will visit the campus and attend a short briefing about the Korean education system. They will also have the opportunity to interact with Korean students. Through this activity, students will learn about different teaching methods, student life, and how technology is used in education in South Korea. I choose this activity because it helps students understand how education works and in other country, and also they can improve their communication skill. The second activity is a marine science and environmental learning experience in Busan. During this activity, students will visit places such as the Busan Aquarium or a marine education center. Students also can learn and explore about marine ecosystem. Through this activity, students will understand the importance of protecting the ocean and also marine life. I choose this activity because it provides hands-on learning and increase environmental awareness among students. It also helps students to develop responsibility and critical thinking about the sustainability. The third activity is snorkeling and learning about the ocean in Jeju Island. During this activity, students will snorkel with trained instructor and observe marine animals in their natural home. They, they will learn about ocean life and know why it's important to protect it. This activity is very suitable for the field trip because it's fun and helps students understand why important of taking care of the environment. In conclusion, this activity combines the academic learning, environmental awareness, and also culture experience. I believe this educational field trip to Seoul, Busan, and Jeju Island will provide valuable learning beyond the classroom. Therefore, I hope the community will consider approving this activity to make the field trip meaningful and impactful. Thank you for giving me your ears. Okay, next I will pass to Alia.
Thank you, Aziza. So, hi everyone. I'm really excited to share my ideas for our South Korean field trip. Imagine walking through streets full of bright light, test, tasting delicious Korean food, and experiencing both tradition and modern innovation while learning outside the classroom. Think about seeing how technology and culture coexist in real life, not just in a book or lecture. Sounds fun, right? That is why I believe South Korea is the perfect destination. It is educational, exciting, and give us experience we cannot get in a normal classroom. So first activity we will do is in Seoul, which is we will visit ASM Town for ATM. At this place, students can explore K-pop culture, entertainment hubs, and creative media exhibition. They can also try local street food and see how the entertainment industry combine creativity and technology. I choose this activity because it's very popular, relatable, and fun, but it is also highly educational. Students will understand how teamwork, creativity, and media are applied in a real-world settings. This makes the learning experience engaging and memorable. So next, in Busan, we will go to Hende Blue Line Park so students can enjoy the beautiful seaside while learning about tourism management, transportation, and sustainability along a busy coastal area. This activity is meaningful because it combines environmental awareness with a real-world application. Students can see how coastal areas are managed to balance tourism and conservation. It is also interactive and relaxing, which helps students to focus while still having fun. Finally, in Jeonju, We will visit Jeonju Hanok Village and the traditional food market. Students can walk through traditional Korean houses, try local food, and observe cultural customs. I picked this activity because it teaches the importance of preserving heritage and understanding how tradition coexist with a modern life. Students will gain insight into a cultural values and learn how to appreciate the history behind what we often take for granted. This activity is both fun and educational, offering hands-on learning in a culturally immersive environment. Overall, these three activities give students a well-rounded experience. We will explore modern culture in Seoul, nature and sustainability in Busan, and traditional heritage in Jeonju. Each activity has been chosen carefully to make sure students learn, have fun, and connect classroom knowledge to a real-life experience. I strongly believe that this activity will make our field trip meaningful, engaging, and unforgettable. I hope the committee will consider improving this activity so we can enjoy and learn in South Korean together. Thank you for listening. So next, I will pass it to Nur Fahana.
Okay, thank you to Alia. So I will next to my activity. For my activities, I would like to suggest 3 units learning experience in South Korea. Let's focus on innovations, urban development, and traditional lifestyle. First, in Seoul, we can visit Dongdaemun, Dongdaemun's Design Plaza, which is a famous landmark known for its modern architecture and creative design industries. And this space, students can learn about urban planning, fashion innovation, and how design contributes to economic development. Next, in Incheon, we can explore Songdo Smart Cities. This is one of the most advanced smart cities in the world, where technology is used to manage transportation, energy, and environmental systems. Students can observe how smart technology supports sustainable living. Lastly, in Gangwon province, we can join a temple stay programs. This activity allows students to experience traditional Korea lifestyle, learn about mindfulness, discipline, and cultural values, and understand how Korean traditions are preserved in modern society. Overall, these activities offer meaningful exposure to modern innovation, smart cities developments, and traditional cultural practice. So that's my suggest activity. I will pass to Christina.
Thank you, Nirvana. So, imagine standing at a place where two countries are divided by history, conflict, and politics. One side represents peace, while the other represents tension that still exists until today. What if we could learn about global issues, culture, and history not only from textbooks, but by experiencing them ourselves? Today, I would like to present 3 proposed activities for our South Korea field trip that offer meaningful and educational learning experience. First, the DMZ Educational Tour. The DMZ allows students to learn about the Korean War and the ongoing conflict between North and South Korea. By visiting this site, students can better understand international relations, peace efforts, and the impact of political conflict in the real world. This experience helps students see history beyond classroom theory. Next, Namsan Seoul Tower. This activity focuses on urban development and tourism studies. Namsan Seoul Tower shows how a cultural landmark can contribute to a country's tourism industry and global image. Students can learn how modern cities manage tourism while preserving cultural identity. Lastly, the Korean folk village in Yongin. This visit allows students to experience traditional Korean culture, lifestyle, and customs. Through cultural performance and traditional activities, students can gain a deeper appreciation of cultural heritage and diversity. This hands-on experience makes cultural learning more meaningful and memorable. So in conclusion, these three activities are carefully selected to provide students with exposure to history, culture, global issues, and urban development. By approving this proposal, we are not just planning a field trip, but creating a valuable learning opportunity outside the classroom. Therefore, I hope the committee will support and agree with my proposed activities for the South Korea field trip. So, I will pass to Nur Shazwani.
Thank you, Christina. So, hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how learning can become more meaningful when students step outside the classroom? Instead of learning only from the teacher, students can explore science through interactive exhibit, understand history by visiting real heritage sites, and learn about sustainability through real industry. So today I would like to propose three educational and engaging activities that can enhance student learning experience during our field trip. So the first proposed activity is a visit to the National Science Museum in Daejeon. During the visit, students will explore interactive science exhibition, observe demonstration, and participate in hands-on learning activities related to science and technology. Through the experience, students will gain a better understanding of science concept, improve their critical thinking skill, and see how theoretical knowledge is applied in a real-life situation. So this activity is suitable for the field trip because it promotes experiential learning and makes science more interesting and easier to understand. The second activity is cultural visit to Gyeongbokgung Palace in Seoul. Students will tour the palace, observe the traditional Korean architecture, and learn about the history and culture of the Joseon dynasty. From the activity, students will gain historical knowledge, culture awareness, and deeper appreciation of heritage. This activity is suitable for the field trip because it connects classroom learning with with real historical sites, making history more engaging and meaningful. The third activity is a visit to the Osulok green tea plantation in Jeju Island. During this activity, students will observe a tea cultivation and processing method and learn about sustainable agriculture practices. This visit will help students gain knowledge about sustainability, environmental responsibility, and eco-friendly industry. This activity is suitable for the field trip because it provides a real-world exposure and helps students understand the importance of sustainable practices. In conclusion, these three proposed activities combine science, culture, and sustainability, which will greatly enhance student overall learning experience. I strongly believe that this activity will make the field trip more meaningful, engaging, and educational. Therefore, I hope the committee will consider and approve the proposal. Thank you for your time and consideration. So I will pass back to Aziza.
Okay, that's all our pitching today. Thank you, everyone.